Then you can go to the fifth problem. A ball is thrown at a speed of v naught and another projected with some angle theta. Then another boy is running on the plain ground with a speed of v naught by 2, so that he has to catch the ball. If the boy wants to, the person has to catch the boy has to cover the distance, the range of the projected particle. That means after the total flight time, the boy should reach the range point. That means the range should be equal to the distance covered by the boy. Therefore, the range is equal to u cos theta into theta, u cos theta into t, where t is the total time, is equal to the distance covered by the boy, that is equal to the speed into time. The speed of the boy is equal to v naught by 2 into t. T can be cancelled. Therefore, u cos theta is equal to u v naught by 2. Here u is equal to v naught, that we know very well. So, v naught cos theta is equal to v naught by 2. V naught cancels. Cos theta is equal to half. The cos 60 is also half. Then we can easily say theta is equal to 60 degrees. So, like that we have to use the trigonometric knowledge and also knowledge of the coordinate geometry, and certain times we have to use the knowledge of the integration and differentiation from the calculus. Now, going to the problem 6. Here the coordinates of the axis, the coordinates of the displacement has been given as alpha t cubed and beta t cubed. Okay. Then they are asking the velocity of the magnitude of the velocity. So, here two graphs has been given. In the first graph, the coordinates have been the coordinates of the distance has been plotted. In the second graph, we have to find out the coordinates of the velocities. That means dx by dt and dy by dt will give you the coordinates of the velocities. That is also plotted from the origin. So, if you want to get the magnitude of the velocity, we have to find out the distance between origin and velocity of the coordinates. That we can from easily calculate the find out the OA, that is the magnitude of the velocity, is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That will give you 3 alpha t square whole square 3 beta t square whole square. Here we can take the 3t square as common factor, so that under root 3t square whole square alpha square plus beta square. So, as 3t square to 3t square whole square can be taken out from the root. From that you can easily say this is equal to the 3t square root alpha square plus beta square, from where you can put your answer a correct option for this question. Next, going to this seventh problem. A boy is playing on the roof of one building, which is at a height of 10 meters. The boy has projected a particle with a speed of 10 meters and at an angle of 30 degrees. Here, in question, how much of distance it has covered from the initial point when the ball is at a 10 meters height from the ground. You have to clearly understood it is at the height of 10 meters from the ground. That means if the ball is at 10 meters at the ground, that means the boy is also 10 meters from the ground. When the ball is projected and it will go to the maximum height and comes down to a height of 10 meters, which is 10 meters from the ground. That means what does it mean? The ball has come down to horizontal plane from where it is projected. That means if you want to find out the distance of the ball from the projection, we have to find out the range. Here it is only range we have to find out on the projection of the plane at 10 meters of height. So that has to be clearly understood. This is the simple thing, and we have to find out the range on the projection of the plane. Therefore, using the formula range u cos theta into t, u is equal to 10, cos theta is 30 degrees, half. The total time we can find out by using the 2u sin theta by g, usual formula, that is equal to root 3. We will get it as sin 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Remaining all things will cancel out. Then we will get root 3 as total time. Then range also, in range u cos theta into t, using root 3 as the total time value, then we will get 5 into 1.731, which is 8.655, which is approximately equal to 8.66 meters. So this is the correct option which we can use in your answer sheets. Next, if you the ball is thrown, here number of balls has been thrown vertically upwards. Here one condition is there. Second ball, when first ball is thrown, the second ball is only thrown when the first ball reaches to the maximum height. Here that means that we have to find out the time at which the second ball has to be projected. For that, how we can find out? The first ball has to go to the highest point. For that you have to find out the time. If you find out that time, then after that elapse of that time only second ball has to be used. That means we have to use to find out that one x is equal to half gt square formula. You can use for x is equal to 5, half gt square, use usual things that has been done. Then you will get t square is equal to 1, t is equal to 1 second. That means after 1 second it will reach the height. Then second ball has to be projected. That means for every second one ball has to be projected. In a minute there are 60 seconds, therefore 60 balls has to be projected, which is the correct answer for that. Now I think you have understood well. Analyzation is more important. If you analyze the problem, very easy to solve the problem. Next, going to the 9th problem. Here a car is moving with 50 meters per second, then the stopping by applying the brake, stopping distance is 6 meters. We will get it. Then 100 car is moving with 100 meters per second, 100 kilometers per hour. First one is 50 kilometers per hour. Second one is 100 meters per hour. So we can use that one also. So changing it to the meter per second square and using the formula, it will take too much of time. So if you want to do it very quickly, here one scenario has to be keep into the mind. One is you have moving with 50 and another is 100. That means you have doubled the speed. Then use that trick in the formulas. Here v square minus u square is equal to as. As has to be used. Then v square is 0 square for both the cases. U square is equal to 2a into 6 in first case. 2u square, double of the speed. 2u square is equal to 2a s1 has to, here s1 has to be find out. Then divide 2 by 1. 2 by 1, then we will get 4u square by u square, 2a by s1 into 2a into 6, so 2a 2a cancels, 4 by n is equal to s1 by 6, s1 is equal to 4 into 6, that is equal to 24 meters. So we will get which is the correct option for your question. Then going to this 10th problem. Here also the same technique has been used. One is moving with the u, another is for u. Then using the formula s1, in first case you can get it s1 is equal to u square by 2a. In the second case, we will get S2 is equal to 16 u square by 2a. Then to find out the ratio of first one to the second one, S1 by S2, and that means you have to divide first equation by second equation, that is S1 by S2. You will get u2 square by 2 a by 16 u square by 2a. 2a to a cancels, u square cancels. We will get 1 by 16 and 1 is to 16, which is the correct option for that one. Next, 11th problem. Here a wheel is touching the floor bottom at point A. The wheel has been rotated to the half circle. Then what will be the displacement of the point A? So here first position have been shown in the figure and second position has been shown here. In the second position, from clearly we can say the horizontal distance is the half of the circumference, that means pi r, and vertical distance is diameter. Then to find out the magnitude of this displacement is the shorter distance between them, that means magnitude of OA, that half of the horizontal distance, that is half of the circumference, half of this circle circumference, half into 2 pi r, we will get pi r. Vertical distance r plus r, 2r, using the Pythagoras theorem. In this one, OA square is equal to OB square plus AB square. For a OA, OB square, pi r whole square has to be used. For AB square, 2r whole square has to be used. From this simple calculation, OA is equal to root of pi r square plus 4r square. Then you can take r square as the common factor. As it is r square, we can take out from the square root, so that it will become root pi plus 4 into r, which is the correct option that can be used for your getting answer correct. Like that, students, once again I am telling you, be careful and study well and understand the subject better, and you have to improve the analytical power and critical thinking power so to solve the problems. Thank you. Once again, best of luck for your preparation, and thanks for watching. If you got any doubts, you can contact through the link that will be given under this video. Thanks for watching, and once again, best of luck.